Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Jabra Elite 10. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now press and hold both of the controls on your earbuds until these LED lights start flashing purple. Here we go, we have it. Now you can release your finger and wait about 5 seconds. So do not do not remove it from the charging case, about 5 seconds. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, remove your earbuds from the charging case. So it entered operating mode automatically after hard reset, and now just click on it in the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!